Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing pack opening episode 2. So yesterday I packed like 10 team seasons and it was the best pack opening on YouTube. But I just packed 2 now and the normal hazard, but it's not team season. But let's just get straight into it. I just on my computer. So, first pack. Come on. So, inform Arnautovic. With team of the season, Ericsson, inform Defoe, Antonio, Perrin, Arnautovic. Why is the very nice shoe? He's like 75, but second pack. Get inform Bates. And 2 team of the season. Get Bruma and Bauman. I think that's how you say their names. But next pack says pack 3. So we get Ifel Marquinhos. No team of the season but Abante. Birthday selection. I can't even work this. Plus, I have got my live subscriber count. I have 7. I need to get more. Come on. Alright, this isn't working because of my camera. Yep, perfect now. Right, we got Info Casemiro 85. No team of the seasons again. This is unbelievable. Pack, I think it's number 489 now with 1 team season Passini. I say he's alright, but not really alright. But I love if I'm Guerrero, what? And Isco, Mascherano, Cattle, rubbish. Rare, Zonzi, Soccer. Next man. Boom. Jonas. He has an 88 one as well. So, Bediano, Jonas, Salah. Next one. Cavalier. Oh my god! Team of the season Mane, team of the season Bruno, team of the season Lallana. I got Mane yesterday as well. But, and I got Bruno yesterday. I haven't got Banana yet. Banana. Well, my article is in banana. But next pack as well. And Matt Ritchie and Kyle Walker. That was really good. My name's Kyle anyway. Right. This is for Coutinho as well. Right, next pack. Plus this. So go on Foothead and you can get awesome packs. Go on to team of the season packs and just get team of the season like Jansen, Sanson. They both like rhyme. Next one. Do 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 do. Jonas, Kante. Oh look, and it's the upgraded one. So we get team of the season Kante 92, Knockout and Benteke, Lopez, and then there's Papadilios. I think that's how his name as well. But go away your others, like Marquezio, he might cost a lot. Come on. I want another team of the season. Dosty's alright, and Villa and team of the season Lallana again. This is Bruh. It's going so bad. Love that. What? Players? Oh! Keane. He doesn't look like an 8-9 rated. He looks like an 8-4. But it looks like it's pregnant. Pregnant. Wait, yeah. It's pregnant. The ball. And a hero. My friend always wanted to get team of the seasons at school, but Alonso Mori. Like, oi. Right, that's right. The pie. 86. Amadi, Alonso, and the Herrera. What the hell? It's so high rating. That's right. So, Harry Kane. That Louise and Dunk. You got dunked in the tank like a fish. Right, the 3 team of the season in that one. That's right. Pizzic, 8-6. I'm trying to get that team of the season Hazard. So we've got Kante again, Carvajal, and Knockaround again. Team of the season. Oh, Suarez. What? Valencia, I haven't got him. Hero Podolski, Lam, Lucas, Thiago, Giroud, Cavani. Jeez. Just getting high rate players. Like Oblak. Wellington, Kovacic, Jagielka, Oblak, Pie. What? That's an old one. Obialana. That guy again. Ali? He has like a 91. Next one. I feel like I'm just gonna do it. I thought it was in. Whoa! This thing on Walker. And also the pregnant guy again. And Thiago? Richie, so I'll just say Kane 88. They cost a 94. What? These packs are so good. Alright. And yes, Isco. So we got 2 this season, Luis, Von Good, Richie. This stupid camera. Come on. Wait, stay. Ooh. Stay up. Stay. I think I might do this for the rest. Alright, boom. Yep, better. Right, so we get November, Louise, wait, Lacazette, Louise, Ruben, Rich, and Ali team season and everything. Don't care about that. Oxide Chamberlain. Right. That was the worst pack. Rakitic. Variety. And Ravet. And Iniesta. Right. Kawada, what that team this season? Hazard. Like that, so. Avatonga Mane. Still 7 subscribers. Come on, I want more. So we got Aberil and Marnie. So next time we get Gamero and Richie and Pereira.
And do you think you can win Britain's Got Talent? I hope it's the winners. Okay, we're ready to see the...
Lewandowski. Oh my god, 93. Isco, Royce, Jansen, Aberil, Di Maria. Right, Robin! Oh my god, I haven't seen that one. But Piero again. So Sanchez, Lam, Bananho, Handanovic, Robin.
Look, it wasn't great, guys. I don't know what the acting should be, but...
What to say about that? Disgraceful. I know, it's Storage birthday. It's 90. No, I'm right there. Where's the team season Hazard? Right, it's been 11 minutes. No. Where's Lloris, Cavani and Sanson? That's right. Silver, yes! 90 rated. Wait. I haven't seen 16 team season. Ashley Cole. Right, that 16 is new. I know. Right, this is a really good pack opening. It's Ramos. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Hey. Wait, no, guys. Right. Oh! I just got back Roger and Aberil. Oh my god, oh, there. Right. Still going right now, baby boy.
I'm till 3 o'clock.
Aberil and Fazza.
I've started eating some of the tomatoes with the rose in there, man.
Come on! Team season Hazard! Oh, Pogba. Just get another
Peppers, man.
2 minute season! Come on! No!
You got onions, Becky. You got, I bought this stuff. You got onions, you got peppers.
Yeah, that's all out of date, Pete. That's last week's stuff.
Oh, let's go! No, Ben. Go away, it's good. 78k on that pack. That's it. Sanchez. Oh. 719k.
Just eat that, Becky. Nothing wrong with it. Just eat that.
88k. No. This might be my last pack of today. But thank you for watching, and whoever gets Team of the Season Hazard, I don't know what to do, just send it to me on Facebook. So Rebecca Clark, don't.
I didn't ask her for any money.
Thank you. Bye.